Hi everybody, Mrs. Weiss here. Today I just want to go through with you what is expected of you in class and go through the Zombie Lab Safety activity. First, please get your packets and complete page 2. It's a lab safety thing where you need to look at the picture and answer some questions. Next, you're going to head on over to Google Classroom. Once you guys are in Google Classroom, you're going to scroll down to Intro to Science where it says Zombie Lab Safety. Once you click on there, you can do one of two things. You can read through directions or hopefully you're watching this video. If you are having any trouble, you can always ask Mrs. R, our class para, or if you're in 7th period, Mrs. Vibek for any additional help. So let's get started with some Zombie Lab Safety. When you guys open up the document, the first thing you're going to do is go to Zombie College. You're just going to click right there on that link, and that's going to bring you to this nice little website. There's a bunch of stuff on here, but our focus is going to be on this creepy zombie staring right at you. So if we take a look at our directions, we're going to scroll down and find the video, again, with the creepy girl staring at you. As you guys are watching that video, you are going to type your answers in to these boxes. There are 4 questions that you need to answer. The questions will begin around that 4-minute mark. There's still important information during those first 4 minutes, but some of these answers will pop up after that point. Once you are done watching this video, again, you need to go to the website to click on it. Once you are done watching that video, you're going to scroll on down to find where it says Play Now, and you guys are going to play a quick interactive game. So when you guys get on here, you are going to click your way through this game, and then at the end you're going to be given a certificate completion. So I'm going to run through just 1 or 2 little things with you guys about this game. As you guys click through, it's going to ask you for your first and last name. So you're going to submit your first and last name. So I'm going to put mine in. You guys get to pick your avatar. And then it's also going to prompt you when you need to click next. So as it goes through, you're going to read through all this stuff. Once it says next, go ahead and click. It's going to take you through 5 different rules of lab safety. Okay, so for example, rule number 1, how to dress for the lab. Once you identify what you should be wearing, that's what you click on. So if you think, oh, they should be wearing a dress. If you are wrong, it tells you to try again. If you are correct, it'll tell you that you are correct. And once you have all the proper equipment on, it will come up with a little next button. So you're going to go through this whole thing again. This little guy down here talking to you is going to be important as you move through this activity. Finally, once you get to the end, it's going to give you a congratulations, you did a great job. But you want to click on completion certificate. Once you have that, it's going to say your name, and this is what you're going to take a screenshot of. You can take a screenshot using Control, and then it's the little button right at the top center. It's got a box with 3 lines. If you're unsure, you can always come back to this Google Doc and watch the video on how to copy or how to do a screenshot. You're going to put your screenshot down here, head back to Google Classroom, and submit. Again, if you have any questions, please make sure you ask either the sub or one of the paras in the classroom. Thanks, and we'll see you guys on Wednesday.